A rate is very similar to a ratio, except for certain rules. Here's an example. Let's say we're making a chicken and mushroom pizza. So for one pizza, we need 10 chicken pieces and 11 mushroom pieces. For two pizzas, we need 20 chicken pieces and 22 mushroom pieces, and so forth. These are all ratios. If I were to express that as a rate, I would say 10 chicken pieces for one pizza, or 11 mushroom pieces for a pizza. In ratios, I'm comparing topping to topping, and in rate, I'm comparing topping to pizza. In other words, these two numbers have different units. We'll talk more about this later. I said two numbers, but there is no number in the second part here. If there's no number in the second part, then it means 1. And we don't write it. We call this a unit rate, and we'll mainly focus on unit rate. So that was number 2. Number 3, the slash here, we call it per, or for each. And we'll often use it as a division in calculations later. Some of you may wonder, instead of 10 chicken pieces for one pizza, can we say one pizza for 10 chicken pieces? Let's convert this a unit rate first by making this 1. How do we do that? We divide both terms by 10. So this becomes 1 chicken piece, and 1 over 10 is 0.1 pizza. Let's think about what this means. This means 0.1 pizza for 1 chicken piece. And how about this? This means 10 chicken pieces for 1 pizza. In this pizza making case, are we talking about 0.1 pizza for 1 chicken piece, or 10 chicken pieces for 1 pizza? We're talking about this. So this is not going to be the rate for this pizza making case. It is important to figure out which number goes which part of the rate. Let's practice. It takes 12 minutes to bake 1 pizza. Express that statement as a rate. Here, you don't see per or for each in the statement. But can you fit one of these words in the statement? Like 12 minutes to bake 1 pizza. So 12 minutes per pizza. So the rate here is 12 minutes per pizza. At a pizza making contest, the winner made 45 pizzas for 1 hour. Can we fit those words in here? So 45 pizzas for each hour. So the trick is, if you can fit one of those words in a statement, then it is easy to convert it to a rate. The gas price is $3.12 a gallon. So the rate is going to be $3.12 per gallon. So per gallon. 7 people went to a county fair and paid $56 at the entrance. What was the admission rate? The admission rate means how much was it for each person. 7 people paid $56. And how much would it be for one person? 7 became 1 by dividing by 7. Do the same on this side. Divided by 7 means each person paid $8. So the rate is not one person for $8. This is not correct. It was $8 per person. You jog 2 miles for 20 minutes. What is the speed of your jogging? When you talk about speed, it is already given which number to go which part. Speed is distance over time. So in this case, it'll be miles per minute. 2 miles per 20 minutes, and you need to reduce that to 1. So divide that by 20. So it is 1 minute. Again, don't write 1. And divide that by 20 as well. 2 over 20 is 1 over 10, which is 0.1. So 0.1 mile per minute. That's your speed and also the rate. You measured a tree and it was 40 inches tall. You measured it again in 15 days and it was 43 inches. Find the rate of the growth. So it grew from 40 inches to 43 inches in 15 days. So 43 minus 40, which is 3 inches for 15 days. Change that to 1 by dividing by 15. So it is for each day. And do the same. Divide that by 15, which is 0.2 inches. So the rate of the growth is 0.2 inches per day. This is very typical style of questions when we talk about graphing linear equations later, and more will be added to it.